It's medium-sized dishes with Nordic touch, and it's meant to be shared. A lot of Swedish beer and Swedish bartenders and bar menu. The thing in the Nordic, it's a lot in this restaurant. It's a lot about the wood and you know, materials and feelings, and so it's sort of like a Nordic design. We're doing our thing, and my food has not. I mean, I think you're always tweaking and testing and playing around with food, but it's not been like a hallelujah moment. It's not. It hasn't changed the way I cook. You know, I come here to do my thing. Luckily and gratefully, Hong Kong has treated us well and our food. So yeah, I'm humble and happy.